mother and child.
Oh dear, look at that, viewers. I've gone and crashed the drone for the first time.
Glad I didn't do that.
It's also, actually, there's quite a bit of damage, more damage than what I thought.
Don't get stressed about it, fix it.
That's gone.
You're supposed to be stress-less.
Stressless.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, unfortunately, it's not as straightforward as that, Claire, is it?
You need to get yourself a hobby.
I've got a hobby.
What?
YouTube.
You stress out over it. You need to get a proper hobby.
Stress out over it.
In nature. You like nature.
I do like nature, that's why we're here.
But you're doing that.
Because it's broke. Oh,
Would you like some breakfast?
I'd love some breakfast.
Well, you've got a choice.
Yeah.
You can have, well, you've not got a choice actually.
Oh, okay.
You could have like a scrambled egg a la Claire.
I'll have a scrambled egg a la Claire if that's a choice.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Thanks. Great menu.
I can't get the pan on. I can't get the scrambled egg pan on at the same time as the kettle, so you'll have to wait for your scrambled egg a la Claire.
Oh, okay.
Have you fixed it yet?
I'm just trying to, Claire.
Just fly it.
You can't just fly it. These are very highly tuned machines. A bit like yourself. What could I do anyway? What could I do that's not stressful? Everything's stressful, isn't it?
You need to get outside in the fresh air, which you love.
Yeah.
Why don't you do what your mate from school does? Birdwatch.
What, Jim?
Jim,
Yeah.
you like watching birds? Don't you? Don't pretend you don't.
Looks a bit boring though, doesn't it? Have we brought that book?
Yeah. You could even tick off birds that you've seen, like you've got that mushroom book, haven't you? Those mushrooms in the
I've
woodland.
got a mushroom book, yeah.
And you've ticked off the mushrooms that you've seen in the woods. That's what it's done. That is not even a joke. Andrew has a book about mushrooms and he's ticked the mushrooms off that he's seen in the woods.
I have, yeah.
So you could do that with the birds, can't you? You could tick
the birds off.
I don't think I want to look in that book. Anyway.
Remember to also replace the screws. When replacing them, remember to also replace the screws.
Hey everybody! Pablo loves the snow. Look, you baby. You've been in the snow. You've been eating and licking yellow snow.
He loves
That
it.
weren't so nice.
He likes it.
Won't eat his breakfast, will you?
You keep putting it down, huh? Yeah.
One thing that I've discovered,
Yeah.
we don't have a bin. On the motorhomes we've hired, there's been a bin on the door.
Well, that's
There's no
karma,
bin
because
here.
all you did when we had those bins was just moan about it, and now the side is the bin.
Yeah, so we
it's a
don't
bit
have a bin. So I'm
untidy.
going to buy a clip-on bin.
What, like the one that you didn't like that you're going to put back
Yeah, well,
on?
we need a bin, don't we? I've discovered that, so... Are you going to do this bird thing then?
Yeah, I'm going to have a look in a minute.
After your eggs, scrambled egg a la Claire.
Just need to make sure that I've got this right.
You've got lovely big windows.
Oh, we have. Oh, I don't know which is which.
I've guessed the water in here. So no idea if you're having half a cup.
Probably.
Oh.
Is that the whistle?
Yeah. You do need to start chilling out more.
I've got jobs, haven't I?
I think this is a bit dodgy what I'm doing here.
What are you doing? Why is it dodgy?
So I'm using my hands to hold a boiling hot kettle.
What's the kettle?
Oh, look at this. This is perfect. That was perfect, Pablo. Right, we're ready now for my eggs.
I think I've done it.
Did you change your screws?
Yes, I've changed the screws.
Oops. Might be a bit too much, that.
All right.
It doesn't squirt out anymore. I don't know why. I think I've broken the squirter part. So I don't know how that happened.
See, normally, I'd have been slightly hopeful that I brought the drone so we could upgrade it to what Darren's got from Campervan Codgers. So he's got a proper drone.
You love his drone, don't you?
Darren's Mrs. Tony really loves Darren. That's why he's got a nice drone. You can always tell how much love's in a relationship by the size of the drone.
Your drone is adequate. Oh, I've not washed the plates from last night, so we're going to have your scrambled eggs on last night's chicken and rice plate. But I've wiped it all down. There's no hot water. There's no hot water. Let's tell everybody what happened to the hot water last night.
The motorhome just dumped all the water into it immediately.
We didn't know why it was happening. We could hear it. So we got out the van and we could see all the water splidging out.
Yeah. So that was that.
And we didn't know why, did we, at first?
No.
We figured it out. Have you explained that already? I won't listen to what you're saying.
Hmm?
Said, I love you. What were you saying? You told them. You told them what happened.
Yeah, I've told them, yeah.
Have you fixed it yet then?
Yeah, I've fixed it.
Thank you for all your comments on your last vid. On my last. Oh, sorry. Thank you for your comments on our last video.
On my last video. Oh, yeah.
Look what I found in here. Some peanuts, but there's only about 10 peanuts left.
I didn't. Have you had all
That's
them?
right, you had them all.
Did I? This is a nice book. And we got it signed. Look. Do you remember what they put?
No.
Yeah.
Bearded tit.
What do? Do you just wander around looking for birds?
Yeah.
Sounds like old days. What's your favourite bird?
Robin.
Robin.
Or a woodpecker.
Oh yeah, nice.
What's your favourite bird?
Rachel Riley countdown. Well, it says here that Poolsbrook Caravan and Motorhome Club site.
Yeah.
It's a hot spot for bird watchers,
Wow.
with sightings of the Caspian gull, shift chaff, and even a light spotting a thrush possible.
Oh gosh.
There's also the lesser spotted woodpecker here.
Oh, woodpeckers are nice, aren't they?
Yeah, I like woodpeckers. Wonder if this is in Jim's book.
A woodpecker.
Yeah. So it makes a drumming noise with its beak. Can strike up to 16 times a second.
What, the noise?
Yeah, and it makes a booming resonance in the woods.
I don't know, I might hear that then.
Hey, there's a load of taps there that he never showed us.
Oh, that's gone down back at thing. That's gone down the back unit.
It hasn't gone down back, I just
It's
saw
on the
it.
top. It's not a problem. It's gone down the back. Oh, yeah, it might have actually, yeah.
There's some taps there, Claire. Let's see what it tastes like.
I think you're going to like it. Do you want some brown sauce?
No, thank you. I think you've got it perfectly spiced.
I'm going to stay in the van, I'm going to organise, make it homely, make it cosy, and I've got a few finishing touches that I really want to do.
Okay.
So that'll be great. Do you know what that looks like? In fact, is it? It can't be. The guy from Gardener's World.
Adam Frost.
In fact, I'd even say it
It
was.
is Adam Frost. Go and get his autograph.
That's not Adam Frost.
Right, I can't sit about here all day. I've got some relaxing to do. Me and Pablo's going to go and look for some birds. You don't mind, do you?
No, I'm going to get organised. When you come back, it'll look all homely and gorgeous.
Oh.
Those trainers look lucky.
My book.
Enjoy looking at birds.
Come on then. Bit more yellow snow. I can hear some birds up there. Wish I knew what calls they had. Oh, there's a blackbird. Look at that, viewers. I know what that is. It's friendly as well. Get that off my list. There's a little sign here that tells you what there is. No woodpecker there, but I said, may as well look. Pablo, come here. Ooh, there's a great tit and a robin. Another great tit. I'll have that marked off as well. So if you come to Poolsbrook, this is the information bit. If you turn up late, you can go in there and they'll give you a code and you can get your keys out, tell you where your pitch is. Bird's nest there. This way, Pablo. Come on, good boy. A bit slippy. I don't like having a challenge. We've got to get off this site. We're new to the motorhome. Not driven it in these type of conditions or any conditions. We're going to go this way. Oh, look. Owls. All these berries. Tree. Something there. Some birds. Lots of birds there. It's a winter wonderland, guys. If you listen. Sure, I can hear like knocking. Wonder if that's. Sounds like a woodpecker. Sounds like a woodpecker, Pablo. I wonder if we can find one. It's always one, isn't there? Boy racers, having back wheels. The heron. There's heron. Hey, Pablo, come here.
Waiting now for you to
Pabs, what do you think to that?
It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm. Sitting by
Quite relaxing, this bird spotting. We've seen loads. What a great introduction. Anyway, what's that noise? Listen. It's definitely coming from up here. There's a knocking. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera. You can hear all snow thawing out. Is it coming from up here, perhaps? It's definitely a knocking. Yeah. come on. Here I go. It's coming from over here. Wait up, Pabs. Let's wait. See. Everyone's getting ready to leave. So. Yeah, it's gone. Is it coming from here? Where's it coming from? You're not knocking.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Putting the sign up.
What?
How
What, into the motorhome wall?
Yeah.
Quite relaxing till I got back.